toasties again, but this time with something very special. We're making a real butter, because normally we use margarine because we're cheapskates. But it's lekker butter. Lekker.
Sponsor us, Clover.
Yeah, please, man. Please, we're asking nasty now, man. Come now. And a little bit of this delicious garlic and what's it? Oh my word, okay, no, garlic and chili.
No.
That might hurt the palate a little bit. But yes, it's delicious. Bowman's. Thank you, Bowman's, for your sponsorship once again. And Ryan's going to try something new tonight. Yeah, we're going to definitely put on a little bit of that. Yum, yum. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, a little bit of this. You can never do with enough butter. I mean, come on, everybody wants to eat some butter. Basil pesto. We might as well just go wild and see what this tastes like. It's always a test, you know. You never know what might taste delicious. It's good to have some fun. You know what I mean? We're making a little fire, even though it is freezing here in Cape Town. This mix is going to be delightful. I want to hear all your ideas of what you guys think is the best mix for a toastie. There's nothing like South African braai. Braai. That's what we do here in Cape Town.
A few moments later.
My mouth is salivating for this delicious new tasty, wasty chili, garlic, herbs, mozzarella, and feta. Yum yum. Oh, delicious. A toastie can be the most spectacular thing you've ever tasted. Wow. I'm impressed.